In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload files using an FTP client. Now you need an FTP client to upload all your files that you have done on your computer, like all the web pages files, or after you have designed all the files, you need to upload them to your server so that you can publish them to the website or to the World Wide Web. But you also need the utility or the tool to upload it. So it is recommended that you have a third-party FTP client. What you're seeing right now on this page is Smart FTP, and you can go to smartftp.com to get this tool. But this tool is not free. It is only free for educational use, but you have to pay a small fee, just a one-time small fee, to use it for commercial use, for business use. So this is the same Smart FTP client that I myself am using right now, and this is how it looks like. This is the screen. Now before I move on, I would like to explain why, the reasons why you need an FTP, third-party FTP. Now if you go to the cPanel account here and you click on this file manager, on this icon here, now we open a new window. You can see that right now I'm already in the directory of my server. It is in the public underscore HTML. Click here. Okay, I'll need to upload all my files here, and you can see this upload file feature here. Okay, the reason why it's good to have the FTP client mainly is because, as you can see here, files are restricted if you use this feature using directly on the cPanel account. You can see there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 12 files that you can upload at one time, and sometimes it takes quite some time to upload, as to be compared to using a third-party FTP client. And besides that, the FTP client also offers a lot of features that you can use, and it saves a lot of time and headache, which is why I highly recommend for you to get a third-party FTP just like this smartftp.com. So now let's go to the smartftp.com here. You can see here. Okay, right now I'm already in my account. I'll just close this to show you how to do it. You can see this address. Just type in your domain name, your server, the domain name where your server resides, then the login name or the username and the password, and then just leave the port as 21. And once you have done that, just click on this button here to connect to your server. Now you can see there are two windows, right and left. The left hand side here represents all the files in your computer. So this is the remote files. You can see this E drive /ami /tijar. This is my file. These are all the files on my computer on the left hand side here. And on the right screen here, you can see this is on my server, the server where marketingbasicsvideos.com resides. And if I click here, you can see this is the root server. Okay, this is the root server, and basically for this type of server or this type of control panel, which is cPanel, you will upload all your files onto this folder, which is public underscore HTML or www. So depending on your control panel, it may be different. So you have to make sure you ask your web hosting company what's the default directory that you need to go in order to upload all the files. And on the bottom right hand side here of the screen, you can see this is just the status, showing you the status of the FTP client. So if I'm uploading all my files to this server over here, right here, then it will list down all the status, the current status of the uploading loading of files. Okay, right now, as you can see here, I already have all the files uploaded on this server or on this domain name. So I'm going to do a test folder to show you how to do this. So right now I go back to my desktop. As you can see here, I created a folder named test, and in this folder are all the files that are needed to be uploaded. So this video assumes that you already have all your files ready before you upload them to your server. So I need to upload all these files into this directory. So all these files named as the test folder, the whole folder of this name test will be uploaded to this directory, so that when I access this page, marketingbasicsvideos.com/test, I will be able to view all the files that I have uploaded. As you can see here right now, there isn't any files yet. This is just a an error page which I designed myself. But this means that there are no files currently on this folder, on this test folder. So I'm going to upload them to this file so that you can see for yourself how this is done. So this public_html, that is the home directory. That means home directory is this one, can be accessed by typing just the domain name and press enter. So right now, since I'm going to upload the test folder, once I upload the test folder into the directory or into the home directory, we will view it by going here, typing test and click enter. Okay, so next step. Now since you know that the test folder is in the on the desktop, so now I'm going to locate on the left hand side of the screen, locate the file or locate the folder. So I bring down this drop down and go to desktop, and as you can see here, this is the test folder, and we are going to upload this test folder into this screen here, which is the server. Now you might have heard that there are two types of uploading mode. One is the ASCII transfer type, and the other one is binary transfer type. But most FTP client right now, they already have an automatic feature where the files that will be uploaded will be automatically uploaded according to their extension. That means if the extension is .html, or let's say the extension is their image files or their video files, then they will be automatically uploaded in binary mode. But if it's a CGI file, then it will be automatically uploaded to ACSSI mode, you can see here. So by default, this mode will be in the automatic mode, so I don't have to do anything to this. So unless you are doing a script installation especially, then you don't have to do, or you don't have to worry that much if you are using most of the FTP clients nowadays. So now I'm going to upload all the files to this folder. So this is how I do it. Click once on this folder, and there are two ways for me to do it. Either I click on this button upload, or I'll just drag the folder into this window. So if I drag, I just left click on my mouse once and do not release it. Slowly go to this folder and I release it. And now you can see the status here. The files are all being uploaded. So I'll pause this video for a while to save some time. Okay, now it's done. Now let's go back to the page. So now let's refresh this page. If all are uploaded correctly, then the files or the page will show just nice, perfect. There you can see all the files have been uploaded, and this is how you publish your website after uploading all the files using a third-party FTP client software. So thank you for watching, and see you again in another video series. Goodbye.